The Philippines hides birds so rare, most people will never see them in their lifetime. The Philippine eagle has a 7-foot wingspan and can spot prey from 2 miles away. Yet fewer than 400 remain in the wild. The Palawan peacock pheasant's feathers shimmer with metallic blue eyes that hypnotize potential mates. Meanwhile, the celestial monarch's electric blue crown glows like neon in the forest canopy. Most shocking, the flame temple babbler wasn't even discovered until 1997. These living treasures face extinction as 70% of Philippine forests have vanished. Each bird lost is like erasing a color from nature's palette forever.